Number 65, seductress. Dad, how do you say this? Hey queens, welcome to the happiest place on the internet. My name is Adelaine. We haven't done a celebrity transformation look in a hot minute. So I decided there's no better way to start doing the celebrity transformation looks other than doing my queen, Ariana. Yeah. So in honor of my Ariana merch, I have my makeup all ready. We're gonna do our hair half up, half down, that iconic Ariana half up, half down look. There's not one specific photo that I'm recreating, but I really like her Ellen look. Ooh. With like the curly hair. And look at her and Piggy Smalls. I kind of want to recreate that with Blue. Blue does little snorts too. You're a little piggy. So without further ado, let's get started. Oh, also make sure if you like this video, make sure you give it a like and comment and subscribe. Become an ADELANGEL, follow me on Instagram and Twitter and stuff like that. I'm gonna start off. This is my favorite primer. It's the Tatcha Silk Canvas primer, and she's a pretty penny. Another primer that I like is the Tarte Timeless Smoothing Primer. She's literally like a putty. I always feel like having a good base to your foundation makes such a big difference. So I'm getting a lot actually. I'm putting that all over my face, and I'm gonna, my beauty blender! I'm gonna put this all over my face. One time I put too much primer on, and like you could tell like my makeup was like moving and sliding and stuff like that, so don't do that. I'd rather do too little than too much. That way your makeup doesn't move. Oh. Here's a new thing that I just got in my PR box. This is the Tarte Face Tape Foundation. This is the brush that you're supposed, I can't speak. This is the beauty blender that you're supposed to use with it. So I'm gonna wet this and I'll be right back. She's a lot bigger now, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm being so biased because Tarte is by far my favorite makeup brand. What do you want from me? This is my favorite beauty blender. Well, the one that is shaped like a Okay, got a little bit on the sponge. I'm gonna put this all over my face. First impressions on the foundation, it's definitely a little bit dry. I have a combination skin, and definitely during the winter it gets a little bit dry, but it says, "You asked, we listen, inspired by our iconic Shape Tape Concealer, the Longwear Foundation mattifies, hydrates, and brightens your appearance." We'll see if she hydrates during the day, but right now I definitely feel like it's more of like a matte foundation. Now I know we're a little all over the place, but I kind of want to do hair just to get it out of my face. So I'm gonna do this half up, half down. I'm gonna put one piece to the side. Okay, she's all brushed up with a hair tie. I'm gonna secure it on top. Okay, cute. With a small piece in the little ponytail, I'm gonna wrap it around. Get a bobby pin, secure her down. We don't want her moving. We want one less problem. Imagine a world where we just wake up with hair and makeup done. Yay, I'm happy about her. Now I'm using concealer. I feel like it's only right to use the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. This one's in light medium, and the foundation that I used was medium honey, so I like to have my foundation, or my concealer shade a little bit lighter. I'm putting her on the high points of my face, blending it with the beauty sponge. For contour, I like to use the Too Faced Dark Chocolate Soleil Bronzer because Ariana loves being a tan queen. So I'm taking that on a little angled contour brush. And I'm doing the 3E effect. So I'm doing a 3 on one side and then an E on the other side. Cause girl, we don't got 7 rings, we got 3 earrings. 3E, see what I did there? Little ting. But Ariana loves her contour, so I'm putting a little bit more than normal. With a little blending brush. I need to wash my brushes! I'm gonna be contouring my nose. Ariana has the cutest, teeniest, itty bitty tiny nose. So we're gonna snatch our nose looking like we can't even breathe. So I like to do 2 lines down either side of my nose. Don't worry if it's harsh because we're gonna blend it. Look how skinny. I'm gonna contour a little bit underneath the lips. Because Ariana has pretty big lips, and contouring underneath the lips gives the illusion of bigger lips. Told you we were gonna be blending it out, just to make it a little bit more natural. Now for blush, I'm gonna be taking a secret palette that you guys don't know about yet. And I'm putting that on my cheeks. This is just like a mauve colored blush, and I'm putting that on the apples of my cheeks. And then whatever's left on the brush, I'm just gonna kind of put on my forehead, the rest of the 3E. And then with that same secret palette, I'm gonna be taking the highlighter Oh, I love this highlight. Fun fact, I've been wearing this highlight like every single day for the past like 6 months. A little bit of my cupid's bow, my chin. And then to give that illusion, so Ariana's nose goes like, you know what I mean? Like it's kind of like, it's like very slopey. So the way that we give that illusion is I get a little bit of highlight on my finger. I put that on the very tippity top of my nose. And then a little bit on the bridge, like so. By doing this, you're kind of bringing this part out, bringing this part out, and bringing this part down. So it gives the illusion of a swoopy nose, just like hers. Brow time! For brows, I'm using Anastasia and Maybelline. The Dream Team. And I find that Ariana has very like, I would say Asian style brows. So that's like, so my brows, I don't know if you could see, but has a little bit of an arch. It has kind of like a little curve, whereas hers are very flat, which is how typically Asian eyebrows tend to be. So we're gonna try and do that. At first I was gonna like completely cover up my brows and like start from fresh, but girl, ain't nobody got time for that. When drawing on my brows, I'm going to keep in mind her shape, and I'm not going to fill it in too much on the inner corner because I find that hers are a little bit farther away than mine. I'm just gonna put a little bit of concealer on the inside of my brows to give the illusion of them being farther apart. Just to darken it and set it, I'm gonna add a little bit of powder. This will fill in any spots that I missed. Man, I like this brow more than I like this brow. I feel like one always turns out better than the other. Setting it with my Anastasia brow gel. Now I'm getting my MAC paint pot. She's in Painterly, and I'm gonna be putting that all over my lid, just for a base for the shadows. And don't put too much on, because if you put too much on, it's gonna do the exact opposite of what we want, which is crease your eyeshadows. I'm gonna start off with a brown eyeshadow in my secret palette, and we're going to contour, and I'm gonna be putting this brown on the crease of my eye. I don't know why when I do tutorials I'm like on the crease of, I never say the except for when I'm doing tutorials. But yeah, I'm gonna be putting the brown on the crease of my eye, not the. And then with the darker brown, I'm gonna be putting that on the outer part of my eye. Now Ari has amazing huge eyelids that are so fun for doing makeup. I did Nikki's makeup the other day and it was so fun because she has so much lid space. Don't get me wrong, I love doing everyone's makeup, but I get extra space to do makeup. So I'm gonna do a little cut crease with my Tape Shape concealer, just to give the illusion of large eyelids. And then just to set it, I'm gonna be taking why do I say A? I'm gonna be taking this is like beauty guru lingo. I'm gonna be taking a white eyeshadow and just setting that. Woo, okay, cute. Now, okay, I was so excited about this step. So our queen Ari, she has a little bit of glitter in her lid. So I'm gonna be using my little teeny tiny Stila Glitter Glow eyeshadow in Follow the Sun, and I'm just gonna be putting this on our fake lid that we created. Oh yes, honey. Oh my god. Do you see how like that just completely changed the look? And I feel like using glittery or sparkly eyeshadows on your fake like cut crease makes it look so much more realistic, because it looks like it's like popping out like an eyelid. If we want big eyelids with makeup, I see it, I like it, I want it, I got it. Okay, now eyeliner. So we all know Ariana's known for her wing, and she is like so iconic for always doing her wing like super high. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm using my Maybelline Curvitude eyeliner, and I'm doing exactly what she did. So I'm going to do a really high wing, higher than I would normally do, and I connect it to my lash line. Oh, I love this eye look. I hate it when your eyeliner is like not even, and then you add a little on one side, add a little on the other side, and then you just like have raccoon eyes. She's even enough, you know what I mean? Okay, I'm happy. We all know Ariana has her lash extensions, which I do too, but she also does half bottom mascara in these looks. So I'm gonna be doing mascara on my bottom as well. A brown eyeshadow. What an attractive face. I'm putting that on my bottom lash line just to even out the top and the bottom. And now, girl, we're gonna be using a brand new mascara. I just want to say, first of all, thank you so much to Maybelline for sponsoring this video. We're gonna be using their new Snapscara. And girl, look. They come in, not one. Oh wait, it got messed up in the mail. Come on. Okay, well, you get the point. It comes in 3 colors. It comes in Black Cherry, Deja Blue, and then the iconic Pitch Black. Obviously, I want to use the pitch black in today's tutorial. This is what the mascara looks like. Here's the wand. Ta-da! You guys know, all of my favorite mascaras have this kind of wand with the bristles, and I love that it's fat on the outside and skinny on the inside. That way you could get the inner corners really easily. So a reason why I don't wear mascara every single day is obviously one, I have fake eyelash extensions. But even when I don't have eyelash extensions, I just find it super annoying to wear mascara because it's like awful to take off at the end of the day. It flakes, there's like black flakes on your cheek. But this mascara is said to glide on smooth for clean volume and define lashes with an effortless swipe. They're made without pigment dulling waxes. Waxes is kind of what makes a mascara waterproof and really holds the lashes, whereas this one doesn't really have that. The effect is super saturated lashes with pure color intensity. So that's why they have the 3 colors. Apparently, you can remove this with just warm water and a cotton pad, which we're gonna test out today. It is said to not flake throughout the day. It says not tough to take off and no raccoon eyes, which I was literally just talking about. And as I already told you guys, they come in 3 colors, but we're gonna use black for today. And for my Canadian gal, she's $10.99 at any drugstore near you. So we're gonna test her out. I don't know why I smelled it, it just smells like mascara. Oh wow, I really expected this to not be that volumizing, but she really is. She's lengthening. Oh my god. I feel like my bottom eyelashes are almost as long as my top eyelashes. Whoa. I feel like having long bottom eyelashes just makes your eyes look so much bigger. Okay, we're gonna do the other side. Update, no flakiness. She gives a little length and volume. Love that. First impressions, I'm definitely like, I'm looking from far away in the mirror. She's a lot longer than most mascaras that I use for my bottom eyelashes. And another amazing thing, I don't know if it's just me, but I don't notice my eyelashes sticking together. Sometimes when I have my false lashes or I have my eyelash extensions, I find that my mascara really glues them together, whereas this one doesn't really. But really good first impressions. Now lip. So Ariana always has like a pinky mauve lip color. I thought these were perfect. I need a lip liner though. We'll use her. So I have 2 options, and then I have my lip liner. This is MAC's Strip Down Lip Pencil. The way that Ariana fills her lips in is she doesn't really have a Cupid's bow. It's kind of like boop, boop, you know what I mean? But she also does have quite big lips, so we're gonna overline. I'm gonna start in the middle, overlining in the middle. Oh my god, I feel like that already made a big difference. And then I'm gonna overline a little bit on the side and then make my way down to my natural lip line. That way it's mostly overlined on the center of the lip as opposed to the outside, because that's what makes it look a little bit fake. Oh my god, I feel like lips made such a big difference. So this one is in Amazonian. And then this one is in Seductress. Oh my god, I hope I said that right. Seductress? Okay, just with her look, I feel like I'm gonna be using this. I have like every single color of this Maybelline like matte lips. I think they're matte lipsticks. I am obsessed. I feel like they're like my favorite from the drugstore. And okay, something that I forgot to do earlier, but we could do right now. I'm gonna set my face. So this is the Too Faced Peach Perfect powder. I love the smell of this. Both this and this. Oh, smells so good. I'm gonna get a little bit on the lid and then just set my face like that. That way we know she's gonna last all day. Yes! And then, girl, where's my setting spray? To finish off the entire look, I'm using my Urban Decay setting spray. It has my name on it, by the way. I like cherish this setting spray with my life. Okay, ready? All right, queens, that is the final Ariana Grande makeup transformation. I hope that you guys enjoyed. I feel like I look the most like her when I'm like that's like the pose that she always does, like with her bangs, like. But I hope you guys enjoy. I have to run. I have to go to the airport. I have to go to make my flight to LA. So we're really putting this makeup to the test. We're gonna be flying. We're gonna be in different temperatures, different countries, because I'm in Toronto right now. And then at the end of the day, I'm gonna be taking off my makeup look, seeing if the mascara really comes off with just cotton pads, and I'll get back to you then. I made it to the airport. Update, we're halfway through the plane. I made it home. Girl, we need an appreciation because she stayed on. I'm so tired, I can like barely function. Oh my god. The best part of the day is taking off your makeup. You're gonna get hot water. We got our warm cotton pad. Would you look at that? What the heck? Before, after. Ah! subscribe and then take the rest of this off. And letting my hair down. Oh my god, I don't know how Ariana does this all the time. That's so much better. The best part about makeup is at the end of the day, it just comes off. But that was it. That was the Maybelline Snapscara Tested. We love her. Okay, are we really surprised? Maybelline has been one of my favorite mascaras like of all time. I always use like the Rocket Lash Sensational. So I'm not surprised that I love this mascara. And it really did withstand everything that it said that it was going to do. So thank you again to Maybelline for sponsoring today's video. I love you so much. Ever since I was a little girl, Maybelline has been one of my favorite makeup brands of all time. So like being sponsored by them is just like a fangirl moment for me. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I had so much fun with it. I love talking all things Ari. Thank you. Next, you guys know I'm the biggest Arianator, wow. And the biggest Arianator on the entire world. Maybe not the biggest, but I'm pretty up there. I'm also gonna go on her tour and hopefully meet her. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, then make sure to subscribe, become a part of the ADELANGELs. And girl, if you want to, you can always become a member. It's next to the subscribe button. It's $1.99 a month and you get all these exclusive things. If you don't want to pay that, girl, that's fine. We still uploading regularly. Nothing's changing over here. But I guess I'll see you guys in my next weekly video every Sunday, and then every day, Monday to Friday on my vlog channel. I'll see you guys in my next video.